beautiful people. I hope you're doing fine. So today guys, I want to show you my morning routine here in our village here in Uganda. So guys, I am in the kitchen right now. As you can see the smoke, I'm lighting the fire. I've put water for posho. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment and share. So let's get to the video. So guys, my food is ready, my sauce is ready, so everything is ready. Now we are ready to eat. So guys, that was the end of my video. So don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment and share. So guys, let's meet in another video. Bye.